SMTP server settings. Now, as I already mentioned, each of the SMTP server providers provide settings for you to use, and in case if you are using Gmail account, these are the SMTP server details. The server domain is smtp.gmail.com. The username is complete Gmail address. You have to write your email address in full, like ashraf@gmail.com. And the password, you have to write your Gmail password as well. Now, if you are using TLS ports, you have to use 587. And if you are using SSL port certificate, you have to use 465. And we are going to use SSL, so we are using 500 or 465. Now, is it required to use TLS or SSL? Yes, it's required, and it's enabled by default in the mail client library that we already mentioned. Now, if you are using live or Hotmail SMTP server settings, these are the server settings for live or Hotmail accounts, smtp.live.com, and you have to use your full address at live.com or at hotmail.com, and here you have to write your password. This is the port number 587, and it's required to have TLS and SSL certificates for your mailing client. Now, for Outlook users or Outlook accounts, you have to write smtp.office365.com, write your full email at outlook.com, and your password, then use 587 as a port, and you are also required to use TLS and SSL enabled mail client. Now, in case your mail server wasn't one of these, you need to search for its SMTP server settings. Now you have everything you need to start sending emails using ESP boards. So in the next lessons, in the few coming lessons, we are going to learn how to code your ESP board to start sending emails. Thanks for watching this lesson. If you have any question, please ask in the Q&A board.